What's up, y'all? Welcome to my vlog, my first vloggy vlog. I always wanted to do this, but basically I just be procrastinating and I be all scary. I ain't getting no views, blah 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 blah. Now we just gonna do it. We gonna do it and put it out there. Baby, if Peach can do it and she talk about her 7 kids and her husband she divorcing, I could do it, and I got a lot going on. I legit done dropped this phone like 3 times. I ain't even gonna lie. And I'm gonna keep it in there because why you keep falling? It's on an angle. But anyway, what's up? I'm finally doing this. Anyway, so this is gonna be a self-care vlog. What do y'all self-care consist of? Yeah. And literally, I just left my job and I literally took about 5 minutes looking for my key. I'm in my car, but I'm looking for my key, just searching my purse like a maniac. And I goes back in my job. I really didn't want to, but I goes back in my job. And they like, there she go, there she go. So I got my key. It was actually my spare key, but I didn't want to leave that here just in case, you know. I don't like leaving my stuff. But anyway. What's up, y'all? I just got off work. I don't know, I feel good today. Today is Wednesday, September something. I think it's the 13th. September 13th. It's Wednesday. I ain't got nothing to do. I do want to do my nails because I plan on doing my hair on Friday. So I want to do my nails, like basically a structured manicure. And we'll figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out. I did want to do my nails. Today was a long day. Watch my plans change. Watch my mother be like, you wanna go out somewhere? This lady don't like sitting in the house, and I'll be right with her. Like, yeah, let's go such and such. Let's go to this place. But we'll see. My plan is to do my nails today. Do my little manicure and then get ready for tomorrow. If you see a little facial hairs, don't mind me. I'm going to get my wax on Friday. Oh, thank God, like not thank God, but you can still get away with like wearing a mask a little bit because the numbers are going back up here in Jersey. But I've been wearing my little mask because just to hide my little hair because I don't want to be getting. As I'm saying, I hate it. I hate the facial hair. That's a part of PCOS, and my hair started growing more after I gave birth to my child. The hormones was just out of whack. So now I get it on my cheek down, I get it on my chin, and like my upper lip, and I don't like that. So a part of my self-care is basically getting waxes now. It took me a long time. I wish I could insert the video of like when I first started at home. Baby, I hollered and when I ripped that wax off. I was a big kid and I ain't even afraid to admit that. I wish I could find that clip. That lady.
Wow! Wow! Feel like you said in my face. Wow!
Ooh, look at all that.
Look at all that. Look at that.
You got a little more.
Oh, God, look at that. Oh, Lord, have mercy.
Good, she said it, but you got it off. Girl, your face clean as a baby kitty cat. That's all your hair. Girl, ooh, Jackie, girl, feel all that stuff. Girl,
My God, my
feel all
God.
that stuff.
Look how that lady was so up. She let her granddaughter wax her face. I I was like that doing my at-home waxes, and I was like, all right, enough is enough. I can't keep doing this. I was buying creams. The creams would make my face dark. Like, I would get the cream. It's kind of like Near, but it's for men's beard, basically. Bro, what are you doing? It's for men's beard. So you just sit that on your face for like 5 minutes. But it was really easy. It would come off, but I would get ingrown hair and I would get black marks. So if you could see, you could probably see black marks on my face and stuff like that. So now I'm just trying to waxing has been okay. It's been okay. I don't think it's the best. I don't know anything else besides shaving, and I don't want bumps. I'm trying to get rid of bumps. I'm trying to get rid of the dark spots on my face. So waxing, it's been okay. I was nervous the first time. I still jump. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't gonna hold you. It's still painful. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna hold you. But I'd rather let somebody else do it than me sit in the house screaming and hollering with patches on my face. So let's just do it. Let her take care of it. And that's it. So that my wax, anyway, I said all that to say, my wax appointment is Friday after work. I got a lot to do Friday. Like, my weekend ain't even that popping, but it's really just a self-care weekend. Trying to get back to myself, trying to do things myself. So yeah, I'm heading back to work now. I got like 10 minutes left for my break. They did not have the butterfly locks, the brand that I was looking for. I was just going to try to do, it's 2 ways I saw 2 people do it. One method is you use the Cuban twist and you wrap the curly hair around the Cuban twist. And the other way is basically you get the crochet locks and you put that in your hair and then you still wrap the curly hair around it. I'm thinking about doing it that way because I feel like it's going to take longer if I get the curly hair and wrap it around. So I'd rather just, do the crochet method and then wrap the hair around it. I feel like it's less time, and I don't got time to be sitting here doing my hair all day, all night after working 8 to 5. Like, I don't want to do that. I want something simple and quick but nice. So I'm going to try one more beauty supply store when I get off work. I'm actually go. I feel like they might have it, and either method I'll do, it still would turn out the same amount. I think the pack of hair is like $11.99. I need like 3 packs of those, and same with the water wave hair. I would need 3 packs of those. So it's the same price, so it's not really saving me no money if I do it either way, or costing me more if I do it another way. So hopefully this other beauty supply store has it, because I really don't want to keep running around. I'm just trying to go home, do what I gotta do. And let me clock back in. It looked easy. I found the easy way to do it. That shouldn't take me forever. So I'm going to get the butterfly locks, and then I'm going to get the curly hair to wrap around it. So hopefully it, it don't take me too long to find out which one I want, what color and all that, because I'm really indecisive sometimes, and it really takes me a long time to figure out what I want in one store, and I'll be on that same product, that same item for like 15-20 minutes. But we're going to try to, I don't have that much time, so we're going to try to figure this out real quick, because like I said, I still didn't eat, but I bought my food from home, so I heated that up before I left. It's piping hot, so by the time I come back, do what I gotta do, come back, I can just eat it in the car and it should be cooled down. Like, why would I do that? Why would I put this shit on like 4 or 5 minutes knowing the shit gonna burn my hands taking it out the microwave? But anyway, my shit is hot. It's hot, and I'm gonna give it some time to cool down, and then it's gonna be time for me to eat at the right temperature. That's right. So yeah, today is going good. Today is Thursday, September 14th, I believe. So like I say, I'm running to the hair supply store. I still didn't do my nails. I'm gonna do my nails today, hopefully. I hope I can do my nails today. I really want to do a cute little set. So hopefully I could be able to do that. Maybe corporate is in the building today at my job. And I've just been avoiding them because I don't like big groups of people. Like, don't come walking up on me asking questions. We're not doing that. Let me do my job. I'm gonna pretend I'm working very hard. Pretend I'm helping everybody. And just bypass me. Hello, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. Say hello and keep it moving. Like, I don't like all that. All that y'all trying to bring, I don't like all that. All that group energy. No, we're not doing that. Especially somebody who got anxiety right now. Back up. Give me 20 feet. We're not doing that. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all when I get to the hair store. I don't know, they really, the beauty supply store that I go to, they real chill, but they still be watching. They don't play that shit. They still be watching you. They gonna hawk you. I think that's a part of the beauty supply industry or something. That's a part of them. They gonna stalk you. But I've been going here for a minute. Hopefully they don't stalk me too much, because I am gonna try to like get a glimpse, get a little clip or something. And we just gonna get these butterfly locks. I think I'm gonna go with 3 packs, because I'm doing jumbo and I'm doing I'm not doing them short, but it's going to be a little like shoulder length. I don't know if that's 16 or 18. Maybe, I don't know, but I don't want it too short. We're not doing 8 or 10. Like, we're not doing it. We're not even doing 12. So I want a little length to it. I'm gonna insert a clip right here. I'll show you how I want it. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I ended up going to Chick-fil-A and got some nuggets and some the mac and cheese. And now I'm headed back to work. I'm still down. I don't know what is going on, but it's Friday. Like, I'm off tomorrow. I need my energy to boost up because I want to do my hair later, and I need my energy to go up. Sorry, buddy. I gotta go back to work, and you thought you was going. You thought. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know why people act like they can't drive. Isn't it like 3 seconds at the stop sign? 1, 2, 3. You look both ways. 1, 2, 3. You look both ways. If you don't see a car, you proceed. You do a full stop. 1, 2, 3. You don't see no cars. Now I gotta stop because this motherfucker wanna come charging out. Exactly. But that's how you do it. It's crazy how you gotta teach people how to drive on the road. You come to a full stop before that white line at the stop sign. You hit 1, 2, 3, and then you proceed if you don't see no cars. I don't understand why they gotta wait that extra 5 seconds. That's damn near 10 seconds right there. My goodness. I'm gonna calm down. See, one thing about caffeine, when you get you a coffee, you just like to talk shit. You just keep going and rambling and rambling. And I'm trying. I don't want to talk shit. I don't want to bring the energy to work because, people feed off your energy. And I just want to chill the rest of the day. It's hectic today. I ain't even gonna lie. I guess because it's nice out, but it's real hectic. And my energy, what's happening? I can't wait to go get my wax after work. Like, I've really been wearing a mask at work. And they be like, oh, you got it for COVID? No, bitch. I'm growing a fucking beard on my fucking chin. All because of PCOS. Now I gotta look studdy. Now I gotta look like Stuckisha. I gotta look like a whole stud at work. No, I don't like that. We finna get waxed off. You feel me? That's what I'm waiting for. They called me trying to cancel my appointment. No, I can't make it that time. Keep it the time that I put. Like, girl, she's like, it's fine if you can't come early. Yeah, it's going to be fine. I'm running over there. Don't play with me. Thank you. You too. Frozen better be canned. If you know, you know. Listen. I first tried frozen when they had, it was a crunch. It was a butter pecan crunch. And they stopped at because I think it was seasonal, so I ended up still getting the butter pecan. You can still get the butter pecan, but you don't get the little crunch that comes inside it. But I already know, I ain't even take a sip yet, and I'm excited. My energy just went whoop, whoop, whoop. Baby, the energy went up, baby. But no, my energy low today. Like, I don't know if they aggravating me at work or what. And it's just like, it's just a little hectic. Y'all, I just got my wax. I feel so good. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. It hurted a little bit, but baby, I don't have to wear that mask no more. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. Face smooth. This is the hair I'm using. Butterfly Locks T30. I got 4 packs. So yeah, this is when I started doing my hair. So this was around like 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning. And at first I started liking it, but then I was like, took a better look and like, it wasn't working out for me. I think it was more so me just being tired and frustrated, and I didn't want to put any more energy into doing my hair. So it was just complicated. It was more complicated because I had to wrap the hair around, and it wasn't coming out the way I wanted to. Like, it wasn't staying. I know most of the girls, some of the girls that said they did this style, they was gluing their hair. I didn't glue it. I was just trying to wrap it around neatly. So I ended up stopping, taking it out, and ended up putting a ponytail in my hair.